Good morning, kids. Welcome back to your online learning. I hope all of you are doing good and you're ready with your learning caps. Bacha, can you hear this noise? So it is raining in my village since past 2 days, and I'm really sorry if it's creating any disturbance in the video. But this is the most silent place I could find. Okay. Before starting, I would like to thank everybody who sent their audio to me yesterday. I received many audio of the reading, and I'm really happy to see all of you being so active and all of you being so eager to learn. Okay, so today we are moving ahead to the last part of our story, and for one last time, let's read the objective. We will be able to describe the connections we make to the text based on prior knowledge and experience. We will use our prior knowledge, मतलब जो हमें पहले से पता है, अपना पुराना knowledge we will use to make connections to what we are reading. Okay? So, are we ready for the final part of the story? Okay, I hope all of you are also as excited as I am. So we'll be moving ahead with the first part of the last part of the story. I'll be reading it first for you all. The parade started. The emperor walked under his high canopy in the midst of the procession through the streets of his capital. All the people standing by and those at the windows cried out, "Oh, how beautiful are our emperor's new clothes! What a magnificent train there is to the mantle, and how gracefully the scarf hangs!" No one would actually admit these much admired clothes could not be seen because, in doing so, he would have been saying he was either a simpleton or unfit for his job. Now what happened? The parade started. The king went outside wearing the invisible clothes, which were actually no clothes. So basically, the king moved outside naked and everybody started lying, "Oh, beautiful clothes." But actually, everybody could see king just in underwear, okay? एकदम घोड़े में बैठ के निकला, but he was not wearing anything. So people were lying कि oh, सुंदर कपड़े, सुंदर scarf, सुंदर train. And why were they scared to say? Because suppose if they say, "Oh, the king is not wearing anything," if they say the truth, they were scared कि लोग बोलते अरे ये तो अपनी जॉब के लिए अनफिट है या ये तो सिंपलिटन है. सिंपलिटन मीन्स बच्चा सिंपल इंसान. ओके, so everybody was scared and started praising king ऐसा झूठ मूठ में. So basically till now everybody is doing the same thing. They are looking at nothing and praising it. Okay, but now pause the video and read it aloud. Okay, quickly write down these new words in your notebook. First word is canopy. Canopy means a high cover providing shelter. ऐसा सर के ऊपर कोई shelter जैसा, जैसे बड़े बड़े राजा निकलते थे ना, उनके सर के ऊपर ऐसा huge umbrella जैसा होता था. So that was called canopy. Okay, procession. Procession means a group of people moving ahead in an orderly manner. एक particular order में जब group of people they move ahead. आप लोग को झांकी निकलना पता है? झांकी निकलती है. Correct. That is called procession in English. Okay. Perfect. Write down these words. Okay. Let's move ahead with question answers quickly. Okay. First question is, do you think one should always stand with what is right, or should we worry about the result and hide the truth? क्या आपको लगता है हमें हमेशा जो सही है उसका साथ देना चाहिए या फिर रिजल्ट से डर के हमें सच छुपाना चाहिए? ओके, व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर डूइंग? यू हैव टू आंसर. सेकंड वन इज, वन नीड्स करेज टू ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रुथ. डू यू अग्री? गिव रीजन फॉर योर आंसर्स. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज कि वन ऑलवेज नीड्स करेज. करेज मतलब हिम्मत चाहिए, सच बोलने के लिए हिम्मत चाहिए. क्या आप इस बात से अग्री करते हैं? अपने आंसर का आपको रीजन भी देना है कि अगर आप अग्री करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं, अगर आप डिसअग्री करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं. ओके बच्चों, पॉज द वीडियो, राइट द आंसर्स. ओके, so now we are moving to last part of the story. Okay, get ready. I will read it first. But the emperor has nothing at all on, said a little child. Listen to the voice of the child, exclaimed his father. What the child had said was whispered from one to another. but he has nothing at all on. At last cried out all the people. The emperor was upset, for he knew that the people were right. Okay, now what happened? अचानक से while emperor was moving and everybody was lying, एक छोटा सा बच्चा आता है और बोलता है, पर emperor ने तो कुछ पहना ही नहीं है. और फिर एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक हर कोई वही रिपीट करने लगता है, क्योंकि बच्चा होता है ना, जब हमें सच पता होता है तो हम लोग पहले डरते हैं, पर अगर कोई और सच बोल देता है तो हमें ऐसा करेज मिल जाता है बोलने का. सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस केस ऑल्सो. जैसे ही बच्चे ने बोला तो फिर सबको रियलाइज हो गया एक्चुअली दिस इज द ट्रूथ, एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग. और राजा ये सुन के बहुत उदास हो गया, क्योंकि राजा को पता था कि सब सच बोल रहे हैं. राजा को भी पता चल गया था कि ही इज एक्चुअली नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग. However, he thought the procession must go on now, but everyone knew in reality that the emperor walked on in his underwear. Okay, but at the end the king was like, अभी हम भाग तो नहीं सकते because I'm the king, so ये जो झांकी निकल रही है निकलती रहनी चाहिए. So he kept moving, but everybody now knew that the king was just walking in his underwears. He was actually not wearing any suit or scarf or anything else. So basically, ultimately, किसी ना किसी ने किंग को टोक दिया एंड एवरीबडी केम टू न्यू कि सब लोग कितना बेवकूफ बन रहे थे. वो वीवर्स की बातों में आके सब कितना बेवकूफ बन रहे थे और कितना डर रहे थे सच बोलने को. पर जब एक बच्चे ने सच बोला तो सबको हिम्मत आ गई एंड एवरीबडी रियलाइज्ड एक्चुअली द किंग इज नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग. ओके, पॉज द वीडियो, रीड इट अलाउड और समझिए एक बार खुद से. ओके, let's move ahead with question answers. What happened at the end? You have to write the end of the story. The kids' bravery encouraged everyone to say the truth. Do you agree with this? So when the kid said out the truth, it encouraged, मतलब सबको उस बात ने प्रोत्साहित किया कि वो सब भी सच बोलें. Do you agree with this? Does this happen even in real life? That if one person speaks the truth, it gives courage to others too. क्या ये सिर्फ स्टोरी में हुआ है या सच में भी होता है कि एक इंसान के सच बोलने से दूसरों को भी सच बोलने की हिम्मत मिलती है? Have you ever got motivated to speak the truth by looking at others? When? क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आप बैठे हैं पर आप सच बोलने से डर रहे हैं और किसी ने सच बोला तो आपको भी हिम्मत मिल गई? Okay, if it has happened, you have to write when has it happened. Okay, but just pause the video and write the answers. Okay, let's move ahead to the very last activity, very last question of our video today. Did you enjoy this story? So, most important question is if you enjoyed the story or not. Okay, bacha, please be honest while you write this, क्योंकि इसी के हिसाब से I will choose further stories for you. Okay, this is my favorite story. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको भी ये पसंद आए. हो सकता है आपको पसंद ना आई हो. You can be honest while telling me. Okay. What are your takeaways from this story? Takeaways मतलब जो हम चीज किसी से सीखते हैं. आपने स्टोरी से क्या सीखा वो भी आपको लिखना है. Okay. बच्चा, one important news. Tomorrow I will take test of this same chapter. So make sure once you are done with your work, you quickly revise this chapter today, because tomorrow morning I will be sending you the question paper for the same. Okay. One more important thing. After you are done with this video, you will give me feedback on WhatsApp telling me कि आपको वीडियोस में क्या अच्छा लग रहा है और आप क्या इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं. ओके, सारा वीडियोस दिमाग में रखते हुए आपको मुझे एक फीडबैक देना है जिसमें 2 चीजें लिखनी है. आपको वीडियोस में क्या अच्छा लगता है जो हम कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, और आपको वीडियोस में क्या कमी लग सकती है जो मैं इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ. ओके, but I will wait for all the answers on WhatsApp, and I really hope you enjoyed this story. Okay, happy learning everybody.